This video is brought to you by ROCKLER. Create with confidence. All you have to do is pin nail 600 strips. Y'all ready for this? Woo! Oh my Lord. Look at this. Oh my God. This finish seriously is rich. That's a deep color. Ooh. Even the guy at the register at ROCKLER, he said, it's $50 a jar. It better be good. And it's good, baby. Woo! So I'm supposed to let it sit for 40 minutes to 20 hours, and I could start buffing. So So I'm gonna give it a couple hours before I start buffing. Okay, so here it is. Table made out of 28 different skateboards. I was able to make this X pattern by putting a 45-degree miters on each strips. I also used glue and 23 gauge pin nailer to glue these strips on a 1-inch thick Vertic birch plywood. And I decided to cover up the strips with tabletop epoxy from TOTALBOAT for better protection, and it came out really great. Quick shout out to TOTALBOAT. Check out the link down in the description below to get a fat discount off of TOTALBOAT products. Thanks, TOTALBOAT. And for finish, I went with Woby's oil, and I'm really happy with the results. And it should be easy maintenance for heavily used furniture like this, and all you have to do is wipe it on and wipe it off. Now, I want to take this time to thank the sponsor of this video, which is ROCKLER Woodworking and Hardware. I really love ROCKLER. I use their products in every single project that I make. Products like the precision miter gauge, low profile straight edge clamp system, something as simple as a glue bottle are just a few products that I use to make this table happen. ROCKLER is consistently coming out with innovative products to make woodworking more enjoyable, so check out their website, which is rockler.com. Thanks, ROCKLER. Now, I'm actually going to be doing something special with this tabletop, so stay tuned. If you want to know more about it, go check out my website, which is woby.design. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this tabletop. Cool? Till next time.